Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order in Noon. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Noon app, and if you have made any orders, you need to come here and click on account. On this icon right here you'll find on the bottom navigation menu, so click on account, and then I want you to come here and click on orders. So here you can manage and track your orders, so I'll tap on that, and as you can see we have orders available here that are scheduled for delivery. So if they have been dispatched, you cannot cancel those. So anything that has not yet been dispatched, you can cancel. So I'll click on this one. It's been scheduled for delivery, so I'll tap on that. And as you can see, it has not yet been dispatched. You can see the full tracking hasn't been packed. So you can come here, click on cancel shipment. There you go. You just give a reason for your cancellation. There you go. Click on this one. Just tap here on confirm. You can choose any reason. And as you can see, cancellation requested. And in a few minutes, it will be reflected on the app. There you go. As you can see, it has been cancelled. And that is how to cancel order in Noon.